Now we're down almost to the footbridge. We can go through this, what I like to call the tunnel here. This is really cool. And in another week or so, this will be almost completely grown over. And it will be literally like walking through a tunnel. It'll be much darker in here than it is. Anyway, here we are. And there is the pond. There we go. And as you can see, maybe, the trees are just beginning to come out on the hillside. There's a lot of green around the pond. In another week, it'll literally explode here with color, with green. And in the fall, this cathedral of trees around the pond explodes into flame. The colors start low and go high. And for about a 2-week period, you can actually see the colors at night when you walk through here because they're that pronounced. It's nice and peaceful, nice and quiet. Look at that green on that tree. That's what everything's going to look like in about a week. And we'll take a walk up here onto the bridge real quick. The famous bench. If any of you know this girl, since I'm putting this on YouTube, you can leave a comment. And actually, I'm in the class of 1986. This is my ex-wife's class, I believe 1987. Here we go. There's where we just were. Famous story. About 10 years ago, I came up here with a girl I worked with and her kids just to show them the place. She had a pair of sunglasses on and she leaned over, I believe, right over in there somewhere, and the glasses fell in the water. Sunglasses. Couldn't find them, fell right to the bottom. About a year later, 2 years later, in the summertime, I saw them floating at the top of the water. I'm sure they were hers. And I remember telling her that I saw a frog wearing them. And he looked pretty cool. As you can see over in the woods over there, there's some students probably enjoying the sun and probably enjoying something else, as this is known for that as well. Various and sundry R and X-rated activities. And now we'll look over here. And this is just truly amazing here. best kept secret in Binghamton. It is. I hope the color comes out good on this so that you get a feel for it. Again, this is the only time of the year when this water is really this clear and really this sparkling. So, we'll do over here again. So you can see there's the road up there, which is great to walk on. By the way, I think it was last winter, not this past winter, but last winter, kid was playing on the ice down here, fell through the ice and was saved by the chief financial officer of United Health Services. Guy I've seen up here many times. You don't even know who people are when you walk past them up here. There aren't that many people that come up here once the students leave. It really is truly fantastic here. Anyway, one last of this. And we're going to walk over and get a different view, and we're done.